Lita, go away. Oh, so I see you like flowers too.
Natürlich.
I just love plants. Oh, and children too. If you need any assistance, I would love to help you out here. Kids are my favorite. Children just seem to love me. What's wrong? Huh? Ah! You freaking little brat!
Ich hab sie...
You need some serious discipline. Oh, hello, sir. Oh, please, come here, just one sec. Isn't this just so amazing? I made it myself. Don't you like it?
Aber was ist das? Ist es...
No, silly. It's like a Christmas tree, but for these little kids. It's great.
Wäre ich nie drauf gekommen. Sieht aus wie das Ei eines Dinosauriers.